Hey, so I'm just trying to check the sound now because I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to hear myself after taking this one, so let's see.
Never seem to leave her head and tend to keep reminded or all the things I said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before.
Hey guys, so you can see, let's take this off. Yes, this is an outdoor video. Let me put this here because it's distracting me. Actually, see, there's a lot of there's people here and also on the other side, but I don't care. I don't really bother. So actually, the weather is kind of getting cold over here, but I don't care about that either. You see. But you know, today is Christmas Day, and I came to work and about my business. But now I just took a little break because I really need to make this video. But now let's get down to business. It's almost end of the year, right? And even on this day, I'm just kind of like thinking through the year and how my 2020 has been for me. Oh, I'm still wearing my gloves. Okay, doesn't matter. How 2020 has been, for me, and I'm sure you're probably also doing that. Even if it's just 5 minutes, you're going to take it and just reflect on how the year has been. And yeah, so for me, I think that as a Merry Christmas gift to myself, I feel like I can just be grateful for some of the things that I've gone through this year and some of the lessons that I've learned from all those experiences. So I think the biggest thing that I can really pick up from this year is that I am who I am. I'm Belvy, and I don't know who you are, but you are who you are, right? And that would never change, and who you are can never be taken away from you. I'm sure if only I knew how your life has been in 2020, I would be handsomely or beautifully say congratulating you for a journey well traveled, because especially when you look at 2020, you will see that each one of us has had our own struggles, and often times than not there has been lots of chaos and lots of things that would happen in your life that you may not really understand, and you may be having a really hard time juggling through things, and just like I said to you, I think that if you only knew also the chaos that's going on behind this smile, you would also probably be congratulating me. But yeah, basically I've been learning to, one of the things I'm really learning is to dance through the chaos, really. Sometimes the things that go on in your life and the encounters that you have, especially with people, for a lot of people, will make you question who you are, and sometimes if you're not well grounded in in who you are and how you see yourself, it may actually make you maybe think less of yourself, or take away from the beauty of the lessons and things that you're supposed to appreciate actually. But if there's anything that 2020 has taught us, I should say, or for you that can resonate with this message, it's really to just how do I say, I think it's to just this may sound cliche, but it isn't at all, to just love yourself and embrace yourself. And I'm talking about loving yourself and embracing yourself. How do I say, like through the chaos, because life can be so chaotic sometimes, and it can take you away from the joy that you feel in yourself. So I just really, I know this is my Christmas and New Year message to you. Just take it one day at a time. You know, a lot of new things, new experiences, new connections, new encounters, and sometimes it can catch you like, whoa, 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 wait, hold up, like, what is this? Like, the heck? Like, I've had lots of those moments this year, and every day, I'm still seeing things like, what is that? Like, but just take it a day at a time, and know that you are absolutely protected, and you are absolutely still who you are, and those experiences are actually meant to shape you and to make you a stronger person. I don't want to say a better person, because you know what, like, every day is a learning curve, and we are always learning. You would always have to get better. You would always get better through something. Obviously, if you look at who you are, and what you did, or what you thought was okay 1 year ago, you would say that there would always be something that has changed about you. So you are always better, you are always good. Once you are taking into consideration what all these experiences are actually meant to teach you, and what you're supposed to have and accumulate through all those things. So it's something that I really, really appreciate, and I'm just taking it a day at a time, and really trying to just be kind and compassionate to myself, and say that yes, this is Belvy, and I may be going through some chaos and some uncomfortable things right now, but it doesn't change the fact that I am absolutely loved. It doesn't change the fact that I am absolutely gorgeous. It doesn't change the fact that I'm deserving of love and everything that is good. And it doesn't change the fact that I am also everything that is also good, And it doesn't change the fact that, my life is gonna go, in a good direction, and to take away, when you realize that, one moment of negativity cannot cloud your good judgments or your vision about how you really want things to go for you. So I really, really want to encourage you guys, just be thankful for where you've been able to get to now, and just look forward, walk into the new coming year full of what do I call it, pride and joy in how much you've been able to accomplish, even if it's very, very little. Just be kind to yourself, that's all you were able to do, and there's no one and there's nothing that should or be able to push you beyond your limits. You are supposed to go beyond your limits, but only to the point where you can take, because the thing is you can never do more than you can. And so just appreciate yourself for how much you've been able to do, and see the positivity in the fact that you have life and you have strength, and you can keep going at it and keep working for it. I think when we understand that the things that we want in life all demand or come along with, or go through a certain process, and we understand what process and progress means, we would not be so disappointed in ourselves, and being so hard on ourselves for the things that we think we're not able to accomplish, for which we think of ourselves as failures. So I really want to encourage you and empower you, as I do with myself every day. I'm a constant reminder of myself, of my own self, because nobody would remind you as you would to yourself. So just being aware that sometimes we are just too hard on ourselves, and things will happen as it should and as it must, and we will learn and we will get better, and it's gonna be okay. So just believe that and hold on to that belief, and I think just hold on to the vision of what you see to be good coming your way, and just keep working at it, and you will be okay. And I'm telling you that you are absolutely beautiful, and you're absolutely gorgeous, and you're absolutely amazing, and you are absolutely everything that is good and desirable. And I don't want you to ever give the place or the time of day to anyone to tell you otherwise, because you are just wonderful. You are amazing. And I'm feeling amazing today. It's 20. Oh, maybe, I don't know. I was saying earlier that I will join, the Christmas and New Year video, like, to make it one, but maybe I may separate it if this gets too long. But yeah, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of you. See ya. Hey guys, I should say good morning, because it's morning on my end here. Today is, what do you call it? Today is Christmas Day, so I want to start by saying Merry Christmas. I'm going to make, different videos. One video today on Christmas Day, and then I'm also going to make a separate video for like the New Year. But I'm going to join both videos, so it's going to be like 2 videos in one. So this is going to be like a Christmas stroke New Year message video. So this is the first one. It's morning. I came to work, but then it's not busy over here, so I decided to have the me time. Meanwhile, I'm having breakfast. Ooh, look at that! Look at my couch. Look at this. I'm going to eat all this by myself, guys. Like, don't judge me, okay? This is how much I want to eat this morning, okay? None of your business. Mind your own, okay? Yeah, anyway, so this is just Christmas Day morning, so I'll update you if there's any new developments in my day. If there's anything interesting, I would capture that, and if I have something to say, I will add that. So see ya for now.